Thus far, I am drinking my coffee with my metal straw. Hey guys, so it's about 8:30 and I'm just putting some makeup on because I'm about to go and meet my manager and shoot some content. She's basically gonna help me with my outfits and find little cute locations, so come follow me. Here's me getting all my outfits out, trying to decide what to pair things with, and there's Paige. Accurate depiction of what we eat when we're on the run. This has basically been our breakfast and lunch thus far. Don't follow my lead, you should eat a proper breakfast, guys. So me and Paige are trying to work out, we want to do some lifestyle shots, like walking for coffee and stuff. But we're trying to figure out how I'm gonna get changed because the whole of the public is gonna see me naked.
Lockdown life 101.
Yeah, like no bathrooms are open anywhere, so that's gonna be fun. So we just saw the funniest thing. These guys were topless sunbathing, but like it's freezing, like it's actually so cold. Wearing our jackets and freezing, so this is what happens when there's a bit of sun in England. This is one of my favourite parts. Paige is obsessed with the fish. She wants a picture for her story. She's a freak.
It just died on me.
It's not meant to be. Look how happy everyone is. I feel like London's coming alive again. I feel like this is like an IB. Yummer, yummer. And we saw this guy with a costume riding his bike. It's like nearly 5, I think, and we are still taking content.
It's freezing.
And it's freezing. Then we decided to try and make this like TikTok recipe that we saw with like buffalo, mozzarella and tomato sauce and stuff. And that's our wines. I am the white, Paige is the red. And yeah, we put in the pasta into our homemade sauce. Basically, I think we needed more cheese. I then put on loads of parmesan on our pasta, but I'm a pasta and cheese queen, so I feel like we needed more cheese. And there I am, just merrily eating my little pasta. The happiest girl. Then we turned on Seaspiracy, which obviously absolutely traumatized us. Just really the whole thing was disgusting. So much death. Why did they do that? Why do they commercially hunt whales for food? I don't know.
Or do anything about whaling in Antarctica. But I doubt there was one place in the south of Japan where this industry can still be seen operating from the coast.
Then we decided to put something marginally lighter on, and we've got some cake and some beignets and our wine. Here's me doing my happy dance to eating cake. And that was the end of the day. I think we must have walked about 11,000 steps. We were exhausted, so good night, guys.